Today you're going to analyze your results. You want to open up your original survey. You'll have your questions tab on the left. You'll click responses. From there you can see charts and specific answers. But also at the very top you'll notice that we can click view responses in sheets. This is going to open up the sheets. You can resize columns to better see your information by clicking between them and dragging. If you can't see the entire question, you can go to Format, Text Wrapping, Wrap. Now you can see the entire question. You want to scroll to the bottom of each column, type in conclusions, and you want to make a conclusion. I don't want you to say something like 10 people answered yes, 5 answered no. I want you to determine why they answered the way that they did, because we're trying to answer your ultimate question. So some of you did a survey on how sleep affects teens, so each of these answers is supposed to get you closer to that overall conclusion. So fill in your conclusion here. If you're typing and your text goes into the next column, you can click and go to Format, Text Wrapping, Wrap so that you can see it all. You might even look at the answer on one question and see, well, if everyone answered question 1 this way, did they also answer the next 2 questions? Is there something similar about those types of people and those answers? And use that. You can even admit that maybe you didn't ask a good enough question and that it needed some adjustment, or maybe you needed a larger population of people to survey and that was affecting the results of your survey. After you've done conclusions for each individual question, you want to do an overall conclusion. So you're going to fill that in down here. You can merge cells by selecting them and going up to Format, Merge Cells. Once you've drawn your overall conclusion, like let's say your overall conclusion was that teens require more sleep and they don't function well until 9 a.m., you need to find an expert or a source online that backs up and supports that statement. So you need to go online, find that source. You would go ahead and paste the hyperlink to their page here and write a little blurb about what you found on that source.